Hello beautiful people, stay with us as we celebrate the 10th International Day of Yoga that is hosted by Sivananda World Peace Foundation.
The International Day of Yoga is a critical moment that is required for every society, for every nation and for every individual. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yug, which means to join or to connect. Connect what? Connect the individual spirit with the cosmic spirit. Connect us with each other and connect us back with nature.
For the yoga celebration, the 10th year yoga celebration, which is an international event. The main objective of this celebration is to promote a healthy lifestyle.
I must say, ever since we started the schools program, we got yoga teachers every week in yoga, doing yoga in the schools. Last year we had almost 4 to 5 schools that have 100% pass rate. Now for me that is so excellent, because we see a difference, because yoga, apart from the physical exercises, the meditation and the silence that one require in order to re-energize the physical being and the mind itself. So
only as far as is comfortable for you. We shall repeat that twice more.
Namhlanje usuku olujule kakhulu kithi njengomndeni, lubuhlungu lomnandi futhi ngoba iminyaka eyisishaka lolunye ubaba ozalayo umntwana uma ngosuthu abangisasho igama lami uNtuthuko Yezwe indodana yomntwana. Lolu suku iminyaka ewu9 yonke umntwana ubeza la and while